I created a high-end but budget gaming and streaming desk setup that you all can easily replicate on your end without breaking the bank too bad. Now, each of these products will definitely add up, but they're budget focused, allowing you to piece this together at your own pace. Today's video was brought to you by Elecwish, who sent out their RGB gaming desk and gaming chair with footrest for the purposes of being a part of this build. Now, as always, it's going to be a consumer-friendly, transparent, and honest review, and hopefully I give you enough information to determine if any of these products are going to be good for you in your setup as you build it out this holiday. I'll cover the desk and chair in detail shortly, but first, let's discuss the items we're going to add to create the best high-end budget streaming and gaming desk setup. The keyboard is the super capable Redragon K621 Horus TKL. At some point, it replaced my original Logitech G915 TKL. The Redragon had far superior RGB with 20 onboard presets and is practically the exact same design. It's a tri-mode connect, low-profile mechanical keyboard with 20 macro key settings, separate media function keys, a volume scroll wheel, a full software suite for customization, and many more features. The mouse is the Attack Shark X3, and it is an under-the-radar super light competitor with extraordinary specs for this price range. It's sub 55 grams, advertised at 49 grams, but mine tipped the scales at 52 grams. It has the PixArt PAW3395 optical sensor, up to 26,000 dpi, tri-mode connect, KL GM 8.0 switches with 80 million click lifespan, 50G acceleration, 650 IPS, 1000 Hertz polling rate, a TTC scroll wheel, 5 programmable buttons, and 100% virgin grade PTFE feet. Normally it's only $42, but which makes this less than a third of the cost of its competitors. The mic, boom arm, and mixer are the Fine AM8 dynamic microphone, the BM88 low-profile boom arm, and the Ampligame SE3 mixer. These products were highlighted in my 10,000 subscriber celebration giveaway, and all are superb for their price and punch way above their cost. The AM8 is a very capable XLR USB combo dynamic mic that does a great job with all forms of content, vocal, podcast, gaming, and content creation like voiceovers. The BM88 boom arm can hold up to 3.3 pounds, making it highly capable no matter the mic setup. It's very aesthetic and will fit in with a budget or high-end setup. The SE3 mixer for $50 may be one of the best entry-level audio mixers on the market and is capable of professional-level output no matter the genre of content you're creating. My AI webcam is a smaller brand with a smaller price but huge capabilities. This is the iCoco 1080p PTZ webcam and can be found under $60 but most often on sale. This can be used in landscape or portrait mode and doesn't require software to use. Hand gestures manage the tracking and stop tracking features along with zoom functions. It also has dual built-in noise canceling microphones in the event you don't have a mic setup. It comes with a magnetic privacy screen that can be put back on when you want privacy or peace of mind. The speakers are the LTC AG202 RGB, 3 connect mode PC desk speakers. These can be connected via Bluetooth, auxiliary line in, or USB mode. They have multi-feature RGB on the back of the speakers, adding a little light to either the wall or desk depending on the setup. They are 2-channel 6-watt max output. They have 2¼ inch speakers and a control box so that you can control them manually. They provide great sound, are super aesthetic, and the craziest part are they are less than $30 at all times and can be caught on sale often. These are more than capable for most PC setups regardless of use and are compatible with most devices due to the tri-mode connectivity.
And I blame myself. All that's left of me now is an animal. And I cry for help.
As a bonus, I made small upgrades to my kid's PC on a budget as well, using the UpHere D96C air cooler to replace a failing Corsair H50 cooler that lasted me 4 PC builds. I also updated the RAM with the Yongxing DDR3 RAM using 2 2x16GB kits totaling 32 GB. The total update was less than $100, including an AMD AM3 bracket.
I'm an ancient being, I've been trying this for a million years. I could go anywhere, but I like it there, I know what it is. I've got sweet tunes flowing, now I'm leaving my sorrows behind.
This is the Elecwich tempered glass desktop RGB LED gaming desk. It has a motion LED glass top with multiple RGB scenes that can be turned on and off, cycled through and speed adjusted. It has sturdy design and diagonal braces, a crossbar and adjustable leg pads. The RGB desktop has built-in touch controls on the left side of the tabletop. It has 3 RGB areas, the 2 grommet areas where you can pass through wires toward the rear of the desk, and the center main design. This desk can hold 220 pounds and is 43.3 inches wide by 23.2 inches tall and 23.6 inches deep. This can be purchased separately or in a bundle with the Elecwish gaming chair with footrest in a bundle. The gaming chair is designed for someone 4.1 feet, 95 pounds, up to 6.2 feet, 330 pounds. It has an adjustable back angle up to 150 degrees. The seat pan on this chair is a very nice 21 inch by 21 inches, providing ample space. Some gaming chairs can be shallow and not provide enough space to sit on, whereas this chair is great in that regard. The linkage system arms are also really comfortable and adjust with the angle of the backrest, allowing you to utilize them comfortably at different depths. Overall, this chair is very sturdy and would be comfortable in long gaming sessions. Both the lumbar support pillow and neck support pillow are optional. At my height and size, 6'1", 210 pounds, I prefer to have both pillows removed, but my boys like the pillows in place. So what did you think of today's setup build? It was a high-end setup that is also budget, so it looks great, but it doesn't break the bank at all. And thank you to today's sponsor, Elecwich, for sending out their gaming desk and chair. They're not just a gaming store. They actually have products that fit throughout the entire home. They're kind of like a one-stop shop for all your project needs. They even have like pet living, as well as all the major areas of the house, like the kitchen and dining area, the office, the living room, the bedroom, as well as the bathroom setup as well. Let me know your thoughts on today's setup and if you want to see more setup builds in the future. Also, if you're new to the channel and you like today's content, consider subscribing below, joining the Cozy Coalition. As always, stay cozy in that crazy world, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
I'm an ancient